Good morning, class. Can anybody tell me why we round numbers? Wylan?
So they're easier to add or subtract?
Yeah, very good. Does anybody else have another example of why we round? Will?
Maybe so you can do it in your head, maybe.
In your head, make it a little bit easier, yeah? Or to find an estimate, maybe? Okay. So today we're going to learn how to round to the tens place and the hundreds place. So can anybody tell me what the tens place is out of this number? Morgan?
The 3.
The 3. Good. Can anybody tell me what the hundreds place is? Doggum?
The 4.
The 4. Very good. Okay, so let's say we have 437, and I want to round to the tens place. So what number should we look at that we need to round? Ava?
The 7.
The 7. So let's circle the 7. And now, if anything is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we round up. So if it's 4, 3, 2, or 1, we round
Down.
down. Okay, so we're going to make this a 0. So what is 7? Is it greater than 5 or less than 5?
Greater.
So what will we round this to? To the greatest tens place.
4.
So 440.
40.
Very good. Okay, so let's do the same number. And we're going to round it to the hundreds place. So what number are we going to look at, Nate?
3.
3. Is it less than 5 or greater than 5?
Less than.
Less than 5. So what will this number stay as or be? So what will our number be?
40.
No,
400.
we're just doing it to the hundreds place, remember? So all the rest of these will be zeros. So what number?
400.
400. Very good. Okay. So get out your whiteboards. Okay, so everybody write this number on their whiteboard. And we're going to round it to the nearest tens place. So what number are we going to underline?
The 5.
What number are we going to circle and look at?
2.
Okay, figure out what you're going to round it to. To the tens place. Okay, good. Who wants to come up here and show me what number they got? Hannah, go ahead. Is that what everybody got? All right, good. Okay, can anybody tell me what friendly numbers are? Does anybody know what friendly numbers are? Anybody want to take a guess? Will?
Are they numbers like close to 1 or something?
Sort of. How do you think they're close? What do you mean by close?
Friends are usually close.
Yes, good. So friendly numbers are more numbers that you would rather add than a regular number. So for example, would you rather add this or would you rather add this? Which one would you rather add? Gage?
50 plus 70.
Why do you think we'd rather add that?
Because 48 is more than 4. The 5 is the 8's greater than the 5. So that's we're around the 50.
Yeah, we're not rounding though, but just tell me why you would rather add these than these. Nate?
Because it ends with zeros.
It ends with zeros. So friendly numbers are numbers that end with a zero because they're easier to add, aren't they? Okay, so let's add 50 plus 70. What can anybody tell me that answer is? Anybody else? Nate? 120. Are we sure?
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. Okay, so by looking at this 120, we know that 120 should be close to this answer, right? Okay, so what is 48 plus 72? Yeah? 119? Is that right, Morgan? I saw you working it out.
I didn't get that.
You didn't get that? You got exactly 120?
Yeah.
Which it should be,
That's what it
because
would be.
Yeah.
it would be,
I
yeah.
got 120.
I did too.
Which that's weird. It's a weird problem that I picked. Didn't think it would do that.
Wait. It's because the 48 rounds 2 up.
Two,
but
yeah.
the
I have it
72
8 to 2. So
rounds
maybe if
2
I
down,
said,
so it's 8.
if I would have said 71, let's say.
Oh.
That'd be 109.
Yeah. Yeah, that would be.
So that'd be
119.
119. So it's close to 120, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what were friendly numbers?
Numbers that end with
0.
Okay. Good. So now let's do this one. Round these to the hundreds place to make this an easier number to add. What numbers would you come up with to make this an easy number to add? You have it, Trent? Nope. What numbers are we going to look at to round? Ellie, what numbers will we add? What would this round to?
9. Wait.
We have our 7 and we're looking at the 8. You have it right. Just tell me what you have.
900.
Oh.
800.
800. Plus, and then what would the last one be rounded to? 400. So would you rather add this one or this one? The bottom or the top?
The bottom.
The bottom. Very good. Okay, so let's practice a few more before I give you your worksheet. Okay, round these numbers to the hundreds place. And then round these numbers to the tens place. Just on your whiteboards. Okay, Trent, will you come up and show me how you rounded 386 to the hundreds place? Just come up and show me how you did it. So if we round to the hundreds place, what number are we going to underline? Nope, we're going to underline that one. And then we're going to circle the one that's to the right. So what number should we get if we're rounding to the hundreds place? 200. Good, so write it out. Okay, good. Okay, who wants to come up and show me how they got this one? Caitlin? So what number did you underline? The 4. And what number did you circle? Good. Now what number did you get? Good. Okay, so these were to the tens place. Who wants to come up and show me? Ava? What number did you get? Or what number did you underline? Sorry. Circle. 4, good. Good job. Alright, and the last one. Hannah? You just circle it. Good. Alright, that should be what everybody got. Is that what everybody got?
Yeah.
Anybody have any trouble?
Which place would you finish? Would you underline around one for the last one? Yeah.
We did. Good job. Good catch. That was my mistake to see if you caught me. No, it's supposed to be to the tens place. Sorry, Hannah. But you did a good job on the hundreds place.
Oh.
So it should be this one. Then it should just be 100. Or what should it be?
It should be 200.
So 200. So you did have it right. But we just underlined the wrong one. Alright. So now that you have all that done, I'm going to pass out this little worksheet and just do, well, do them all, I guess. You can just work them out on your whiteboard.
There's one.
It's okay. Okay, so the first one, it says round to the nearest 10 using the number line. So looking at your number line, 27. What would we round that to, Morgan? 30. So just write 30 next to it. And then 21, what is that closer to, 20 or 30? Ellie? 20. 20. And then 25.
30.
How do we know? Yeah, but what do we do? We underline the 2, circle the 5. So 5 is greater than or equal to 5. So it's going to be a 30. That one could be a trick one. Okay, 23. What would that be? Just go ahead and say
20.
20. And then number 5, a 28.
30.
Good. So on the next part it says round to the nearest 100. So 351. What would we round that to?
400.
400. Yep. And 349.
300.
Then 370.
400.
314.
300.
And the last one, 322.
300.
All right, good. So what can everybody tell me what the goal of rounding would be? What would be the goal of rounding? Why would we round? Rylan?
To make sure numbers are easier to add and subtract and
Good, yeah. So if numbers can be easier to add and subtract. Hannah? And estimating and rounding. What is an example when you would use rounding? Where would be where you would use it, like really fast to add something up? Morgan?
maybe at the grocery store.
At the grocery store, you estimate the price. Yep. Can anybody tell me one more? Think of anything else? Will?
Farming, like maybe you had this much wheat and this much.
Yep. Farming, you can estimate the wheat. All right. So yeah, rounding. And then what were friendly numbers?
Numbers that end with 0.
That end with 0 and then are close. All right. Good job, class.